Welcome to the roving team from Life is a Mission TV. Well, people, I just reached home just about 10 minutes to 12. No rain was falling and stuff like that. And we have look reasoning about the weather and what we think. But people, 20 minutes after me reaching, look what is happening. This is the start of Beryl. See it there, people? The start of Beryl, this people. People, I will be out there to carry it to you. So just like, share, subscribe to the channel and tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Alright people, watch it. I normally park my car in the driveway. See it there? See where car there now? See where car there? Alright. Car there on the car porch instead of driveway car. See it there? See East Indian tree there? The lady East Indian tree. Me can't make no limb blow off of that in my car. See the people? See me can zoom in the weather phone now. See there? That's rain. And this is like 20 past 12. We started to get this rain. So this is the start of Beryl, people. Alright? So stay tuned as me say. You know me not touch back the road for now, but when daylight and stuff, I will be roving the road to bring what is going on to you people. I know now some of you stay safe. Yes, I will do that, but you don't know. It's the work of a journalist, you know. Yeah man. People are trying to brave the weather for go in there now. So I just show you where I go on at the start. I just beat it, people. I just beat it. I just reach in 20 minutes ago and I reach in near the rain start. So now just go and do and give the channel some like and share and watch the ads. Alright? Bless upon yourself till tomorrow morning. We just show you which part it start from. This remind me of Gilbert. Yeah man. And then by about 6 o'clock the morning, Gilbert at full force, or about 10 o'clock the morning. Right. That was a Monday morning. Can't forget. Bless upon yourself until daylight. So good morning people, morning. Boy, jump up and see rain and fall. So I'm not bother come out, but it kind of barely a do you know. As you can see the movements of the trees, you know. Yeah man, take a look at the movements of the trees. Well, nothing much not going so far, but as you can see the sky, you know. This is what the road look like. Well, the rain has come back down now. But this is my first time out after the rain last night after I get in. I just seen that earlier clip. Road dead. This is a busy road, people. Road dead. You know. And you know when it touch this time, you know, you always have curfew in place. So basically the government, it's not really a state of emergency, but just a curfew, 6 a.m. until 6 p.m. And you know, normally you get an extension after that. So basically, the country is under a curfew. Not just specific area, the whole country under a curfew. And you know, if the storm hit, it can lead to a state of emergency. So just stay tuned for some more update. Well, you know, this update is not going to come one. I'm just going to compile them as I go along, and then you know, you will see at the top at the video. When watching the video, you will see what happened like last night, what happened after last night. Each thing I video, you will get it after. I'm not going to give you an immediate update. I compile it to make just one video, like for even half an hour, 20 minutes, 35 minutes, 25 minutes, and give it to you people. But just remember, Life is a Mission roving team is out. I get myself ready for touch the road, you know. It's about minutes to 10. Yeah, but the rain are due. But you know, say, we have to in because that's the life of a journalist. So stay tuned for what is to come. You understand? We still not get nothing much yet, more than the place just bleaky. And we're getting some rain and a little breeze, not much. So make us see what is to come now. You have to just brace yourself and prepare. The last time I go on a weather channel, based on the movements on the weather channel, all the storm traveling, boy, it looked so devastated coming in towards Jamaica. When you look at it, the projection and the weather channel, it looked very devastating coming to Jamaica. And I have a few clips of that the passing of it where the Grenadines is concerned, and I think I have another clip of I wish other country, some other Caribbean country where I might just fit into this, so you might just see a few clips of, you know, damages that has happened where this hurricane is concerned in different parts of the Caribbean. So just stay tuned for it, alright? So yes, my people, the roving team is out. So the last news that I've heard, people, we must expect the storm. Well, every minute the time change. Well, you don't know. That's why I say, the meteorological service can only predict what projected on the system, but there can be change at any minute, any time, because this storm was projected to come around sometime bleachy to come along sometime between 1 a.m. last night to 1:30. Now it has changed to 12 o'clock. You understand? Midday. So we're going to just sit and wait. Now I'm along Bay Farm Road. As you can see, the station is ahead of me. Olympic Yard Police Station. And I'm approaching the stoplight to turn left on Olympic Way. So just stay tuned, I could see where I'm going. I might just put this little clip together and give you a round up just before that time. This is the busy Olympic Way. Look like a Sunday evening, normal rainy day. Yes, man. The busy Olympic Way look like a Sunday evening, rainy day. Everybody sit and waiting. Cash pot still a sell. Hey, may I tell you, cash pot still a sell. Cash pot still a try to take people them little money. Because you don't know, a man have a 50 or 100. You see, one thing is a gambler, people. I tell you this about gambling. You see, one thing is a gambler, you got always a think. You got always a think of being a winner. No cure you're losing, you got always a think of being a winner. Because say he's a gambler every day, say cash pot then every day. Every day you buy a number and you can't win. But it's like you just can't stop. Because you tell yourself, say any day you don't buy that number, that is the day the number go play. So you always have to gamble because it always seems to you like you're going to be a winner. Yes, so I'm going to pull up on my ends temporarily. See my two light posts up on the ends corner. You know? So just pull up temporarily to see what I go on. Because we just touch the road. So stay tuned. I might go a little live session for a little couple minutes. If anything, make you know what I go on. If there's any internet up. So stay tuned. If not, I'm going to try and post this video also. So in posting this video, I have an idea what's going on presently before we lose any internet service or we lose any power outages and stuff like that. So just stay tuned.
I better go outside,
Alright, welcome to the roving team, Life is a Mission roving team. Well, we're there with a little man, you don't know. He's an artist and kind of visually impaired and stuff like that. So we're just going to ask him a little simple question about the weather, when think about the weather, and how well he prepared for the weather. So, how well you prepare for the weather?
Well, I'm fully prepared, Yeah.
And what do you think about the storm? You feel like the storm will be hitting Jamaica?
Well, we feel like it's just passing through, I don't feel like it'll come here still, definitely.
So, for a man like you, that is visually impaired, you feel like it's the safest place for you to be now outside?
Outside is the right place because I can't, but with the tree that is in my yard right now, So yeah, yeah.
This time I don't want to get caught in my house and I want to make sure I'm out the road.
Most definitely, man. I can't bother the tree them, man. So me have for outside. Cause I not gonna see when the tree a drop. Every time I sit down outside, man,
Alright,
with
man.
friends and family. No devil.
So you're fully prepared?
Yeah, man. I'm fully prepared outside, man. A J action, man.
Alright, let's okay.
That is it.
Yes, Boomside. So you don't know there's a storm in the air, an old woman them called Beryl. I don't know how bad she is, but them say she bad because she had do damage already.
I don't think she bad on Gilbert or Ivan.
So if you don't think she bad on Gilbert and she not reach yet.
I don't know, but when she come, we see.
So you prepare?
Yeah, man.
Alright. You can't too fully prepare now, but you prepare.
Yeah, man.
So do you think she will be coming or she gonna turn back or she gonna take a different course?
Maybe she turn back like every other one when we come along.
But do you know that we do a storm? We have get a storm in a very long time. As you said, there's a lot end up to come and end up turn back when they come up in the hill. So you feel like she might turn back?
Yeah.
Alright, so bless up yourself.
Alright.
You prepare.
Yeah, man.
Yes, the roving team from Lives and Mission is right here with this young miss. And you don't know, the normal question is, what you think about the storm?
Well, I don't think it will come, you know.
You don't think or you don't want it?
Well, I don't want it to come.
So, do you prepare or you don't prepare?
Well, I prepare, you know. Yeah, I prepare.
Are you prepare to a level what? You can buy out this supermarket or you can buy out
Well, I don't buy out the supermarket, no, I buy out the shop.
Oh, so you stock up for a few days
yes.
if you can't get certain things.
Right.
So, let me ask you a question. If you're out of water for a couple of days, you have any catchment where you catch
yeah,
water?
I buy water. Yeah, I buy.
That is just a drink?
Yeah. No, I catch water, man. I have water in bottle.
So you have water, so if you have to wash out but you have to take your time with it. One bottle of water, you can't let go the pipe to run it now.
Right, right.
Alright, big up yourself.
Alright.
Life is a mission roving team. We're there. And we're there with a man, well, him say he's a Christian, becomes a Christian, and say he's a gospel grinder, but this man is a man full of lyrics, you know. The man, when they're ready to talk, you know, they're not care, you know. Because, me I tell you, he's not a man. See, look on him on. Alright, so I don't know who me I talk to. And you know them type of people, you're bold. So, Ryan. What you say about this storm? You prepare for this storm, sir?
Prepare how?
You like, you have food, you have food, you have food, you have your shelter, alright, your house stuff, alright.
Prepare how? That's why I say prepare how. How for prepare when I know. When I know how for prepare. The courts around the put that so. It's at the court to me. Can you don't think to poor people? If they come get the one in the over warrior. Oh, all of the while we even vote for him. For because if that go to the course that day when the parents have a boy, me no want the boy. Because if I move for a boy and take a body for a boy, me need the boy if you come give me a drink, you come give me look.
Who is the MP of the area?
Look.
Who is the MP of your area?
Told them MP for the area, but now you mean no.
I think Christopher Toad is your councillor. Who is the MP?
The Prime Minister is the MP for the area, but what? The Prime Minister give the codes to them the thing that we give out, and the constable give them waste people the thing. They will not give nobody the all.
So you're sure that the Prime Minister who is the MP distribute things for them to give away?
Of course it is. Cause enough people get things boy and my place I'm not come.
So you're saying that they're dealing with a friend thing?
Yes, it's a friend issue. Cause everybody get things, but I don't get nothing. Every time we have the election come, when we have an election, them t-shirt to them friend and that issue to me, you all come. I'm here, me someone in the area.
So
I'm a part of the consequences of the Prime Minister when the Prime Minister will give out, and the Prime Minister giving it out to people and them not giving it out to the poor people them who are outcome.
So are you a voter? Do you have a vote?
Right now, Lynn figure up my vote.
Lynn figure up your vote? So
yes, sir. No, I'm ready to vote and Lynn make up my vote. That's why I'm Lynn.
Who is Lynn?
Lynn?
Who is Lynn?
Lynn is to the Prime Minister. to come out to look for people, to look out for people for vote. She don't come out. She don't come for me. And me and Mumza youth for come out and she come just send van. She said she can send van for me and I know me not get no van for come for me.
So you're saying
the time before this, them come lift him up out of the yard, carry him up police.
So he used to vote before?
Yeah, and carry him back and something, but no, them not look on him. Me not get Andrew Wallace the bad name because him give out things for him community, him constituency, and who get it, I sell it.
And I give it to them. That's how it says a friend thing this. Them not respond for no one. Them not respond for no one. They disable them. Them not respond for no one. Them not right now want to sing for me out. I want to build out and we can't build that. I want food for eat and we can't get that. I know it's time. I know it's time. I'm want to party for put on the rooftop and we can't get that. What's all come? Everybody else I get every year everybody else I get. I mean I get. I feel them to me for 1 year.
So you are crying out to your MP who's your representative and your councillors to come and assist you.
I'm going out to the council to assist me. The first council used to assist me with everything I need. After them putting this council, I don't know why they put this council in this area.
So are you sure that he's getting the packative from the people them at the top? Are you sure he's getting that strong packative to assist you?
No, I don't know about sure. The parents are giving out the MP them the things that to give to the people them. And at the courts of them, I give the prime minister a bad name.
Wow.
The courts of them is giving the prime minister a bad name. When the courts of give the people, the prime minister them a bad name, all the courts of your name as a butterfly, I give the prime minister a bad name too. I am friend them when my friend never give me a bad name too. The whole of the courts of the federal give the prime minister them a bad name. How come is that?
Alright, people, if you don't stop this man there, talking and tell this man is a talker. Alright?
You can't get the greedy if you get the needy.
Alright, you can't rub butter in a puss mouth. Yes. Alright, you can't give hungry man food to carry for give your next hungry man. You know, eat it out. And not even eat it out, you're going to eat the whole life and not share it. Anyway, bless up yourself, Ryan. I want to hope this message reach them and them start to give some more attention. Alright? Bless up. Well, my people, me there with one of my long time friend, you know, me and her can't agree. Diane, you know? So Diane, how well you prepare for this weather and what you think about the weather?
Well, I prepare for it. I'm prepare well for it.
So
how me think that it go come?
Oh, okay, that's the question I'm going to ask you. How strongly you believe this hurricane Beryl will be hitting Jamaica?
But a category 3.
You feel like it's going to drop from like the 5 yesterday to this month, it dropped to 4 back. Well, I don't know the latest at this minute me and speak to you, but you feel like it'll drop to a category 3.
Yeah.
Well, when we get to understand me, you said like on the west end, like what's the west in Jamaica? Because we are so you go man to go base west and them places. So we say it mostly affect the side of the country there right now where the weather is concerned, rain and stuff is concerned.
Well, me not glad if it not come to Kingston.
Well, everybody are glad say it not come for them part, but we just are glad, we just are hope that it not do much damage to nobody.
Well,
but
we are
whatever
praying.
parish it reach.
We're praying because there's a God.
Alright, bless up yourself. Him now worry about no storm, him just comfortable and cock up. You don't know if a husband or wife him want come, I never know what kind of dog.
Oh, man.
But him comfortable, bro. Him never think I worry about me. Sorry, me never comfortable like him. Trust me. Yes, my people, Life is a Mission roving team is in the street. And we're there today with one of the businessmen in the area where this is a fishman. He might be looking for fish place for this, and I noticed yesterday to walk, so I don't know if at the storm I'm afraid there war, you don't know. Like you can go and now and go buy enough fish and thing, and you know him not have nowhere to put it. So basically him don't open, I don't know reason why. So I'm going to ask him. So the general, why you not open business yesterday, sir?
Well, yesterday was a planning day, you know, for everything for the Beryl storm. So we have to know, so we have to do some planning and all of these things. So get the thing up and whatsoever. See? So that's all basically with the preparation for the storm. Because you don't know the storm is real, you know, it's not so it's a illusion or whatsoever, it's something real. So we just get some preparation for tomorrow.
Alright, so as a family man, you're fully prepared.
We can't fully
Yeah,
prepare,
yeah,
you know,
you're prepared
but
to
we
the
can
level where you
prepare.
can prepare.
Yeah, we can prepare to
Cause
the
you
level.
never know what kind of wind, what kind of water, the
Yeah,
amount of water will come, but
yeah,
you do what you
but we
can
do
do
what
for
we can do
preparation.
for
You
preparation.
not
So.
fail to prepare, you're prepared to fail.
Alright.
Alright, because if you fail to prepare, you know, remember you get caught in the rush.
Problem.
So you have to prepare. If you fail or so, but you know you did prepare to save yourself. Alright, my boss. Bless up yourself.
Yeah, man.
Anytime you know the Olympic here, just check to how we fish shop, man. Straight across this, so see that? Yeah, man. Can't miss, alright? Bless up.
Are down and roofs have been ripped off buildings by the hurricane's deadly force. Its Prime Minister has been assessing the devastation and says the island of Karakou has been very badly affected.
It is almost, I'm going to give you a mic, almost total damage or destruction of all buildings, whether they're public buildings, homes, or other private facilities. There is literally no vegetation left anywhere on the island of Karakou.
Hurricane Beryl now threatens Jamaica.
Next in its path is Jamaica, where people are being urged to stock up on food, water, and candles. These satellite images shows Beryl from space as it crosses the Caribbean, its size and power visible. And this is how it looks in the Dominican Republic. High tides, heavy rain, and strong winds of more than 240 kilometers per hour have been relentlessly battering its coastline. As some communities across the region start to assess the damage and devastation, others in Jamaica and Mexico are preparing to batten down the hatches, hoping this Category 4 hurricane will begin to weaken in the coming hours. Thomas McGill, BBC News.
Yes, we keep with my favorite cream shop.
Yeah.
You know, the videos them more than one time. I will near to the cake waiting there. So, Sharma cake, bless up yourself. Me there, and you don't know the roving team is out from Light Mission TV. As a cream shop, how well do you prepare for this weather? How well you prepare for the weather as a cream shop? Because you don't know if current gone, what kind of preparation you have to get the cream them in a confined place so they can keep tough.
Well, I don't buy a lot of stock. That's all. I just buy less.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what you have now, if it's a possibility to sell off and like gone, God forbid, and stuff, you won't have a lot of losses if you have to even give it away.
No, just a little.
Okay. So how well do you prepare otherwise for the storm? Do you think the storm will be hitting Jamaica?
Well, I'm not sure about. Still have to prepare for it.
Right, because you can't fail to prepare. You have
That's
to prepare
right.
to see.
Still have to prepare.
And how is business so far? Because as I see, it's a little small place. I can see that glass is almost shelled down. And to most of the people, them go at the bigger places to buy them stuff, wholesales and stuff. But they can't tell these people, they say, it's time to come to Jamaica. And it lasts up to tomorrow, which is Tuesday. You see the last minute shoppers and the non-believers, them.
Hey.
All the sweetie them gone out of the glass case. Because them are go hungry and not go there to eat, so them have to buy all sweetie to taste up them mouth. Because them are last minute shoppers and non-believers. So now watch the glass case, you can shell down if the storm coming in a second. Anyway, Sharma K, pick up yourself and hope for the best. You know, because it's hard to see you spend your money and buy a product and then it have to give you a dash way. So bless up yourself and we just hope for the best, alright?
Alright.
People, you see the man there? Watch him. Them man they have one of the biggest house. China man, big up yourself. Yeah man, so the man easy and comfortable. The man there a 2-story the man they live. A later them man they climb and go up for them house. Them not on a step. Them man a house come all in a newspaper. When somebody big house them want to see me and show you. I know it can't come in a newspaper. But China man them house come in a newspaper. Yes man. A later them man they climb on a wall if you go in at them house. And a straight pallet and chop all in. Yes man, but you see them comfortable in the weather. Man they don't make nothing to worry them. I eat all them ice cream, look on him foot. A desert clocks them man they wear. Them man they well taken care of, but them not make nothing trouble them. Nothing. See? Desert the man have on. A 28,000 for one of that. And some places go all 30. Yes, my people, I'm there with the great Wally Gumbas, you know. The man you have seen in a place.
A Red Skull.
And see, what?
Red Skull.
Red Skull, I don't know how him skull.
Yeah,
red.
man, my skull red, man.
Alright. So, my people, the general, what you think about the weather?
Boy, the weather look like, say, it a go on with a little thing. But a little rain a June, so we don't need to fret. But I one thing, I know the weather, if you have a shop, you make enough money in the weather time, you know.
Well, that is always in time, storm time. Them places sell out, you know. Some things they never sell, I go sell and all, candle and all them stuff there. But, I hear say it will take more toll on the north side of the country, like Clarendon, Montego Bay and them side there. And it is projected that by 12 o'clock, we see the true color of Beryl as a old man. What do you think?
But what may I say still? Them say Beryl take the toll from the Clarendon side. Yeah, maybe take the toll. So maybe you go through the toll or take the bypass. We don't know, maybe take the bypass to the toll, you know. You see it, and then it project off and give you no problem. Because Beryl, we not to really fretting. We pray, we won't go to bed at night time in a Beryl.
So how prepare your east feet?
How prepare?
You
Right now,
make any preparation?
we make preparation, you know. Cause I know preparation we make sure I help my friend them prepare and back them, you know. Cause me as a Beryl, I come with club bar and all them stuff.
So
there, you know.
basically, you're not one of the men who are going to sit down and say, oh, storm now come. You do what you have to do.
Yeah, I do what I have to do, you know, but me I tell you, same way, me have a mind saying, nah, come, cause I pray hard last night.
All of we are going to try, you know, they want it to come. But we have to just face the reality. So we have to prepare for the reality.
Yes, we prepare, but I still drink last and pray last night.
Alright, so bless up yourself. See, great Wally Gumbas, yeah? So, Wally Gumbas, what you have to say? How prepare you for the storm?
Well prepare, you know, cause you know, say that when storm come, it's not tarry, just go through and do it thing and that's it.
So basically, it's just the damage what you going to do when it come. You have fret about.
Yeah, just that you have fret about.
But I don't know, you know, so I go stay like how Sandy did turn back with her bright self and turn back on people when she pass already.
And Gilbert do the same thing too.
So basically, you're fully prepared. And condition your mind to anything.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
So yes, my people, so this is a look of the gully presently. Very calm, like when the sea is calm. So probably based on the happenings, I will come back and show you this gully. I've shown you this gully when it's full, actually to capacity more than one time. But now it is very calm. You see the floor? Alright, let's see what happened after this.